Good evening, I am Wilson. This video I present task 5 pronunciation practice. Read the following text 3 to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in meaning, reading, intonation, and stress. Minimal parents. A minimal parent is parent of words that vary by only a single sentence sounds may confuse English learning. They pronounce them having in mid this variation of the sound. Cat, bat, within, wisen, read, red, kid, night, take, steak, coat, coat, pin, pin, tell, pearl, teach, pitch, they, pay, ding, pin, their, pen, duck, duck, date, buy, tall, car, to, call, take, cape, toad, quad, tooth, queen, teeth, queen, tap, cat, tall, cold, tag, gat, table, clever, tin, fin, tile, fine, tone, fun, thick, big. Intonation and stress. Reading the following sentences, having it mid supermental futures. Statements with 3 stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with your strength. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Alex read the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Taya is reading the book you read yesterday. Special question following intonation. What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Find it interesting politeness raising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question raising intonation. Have you reading this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Requiescent intonation. May I speak to her please? Could I speak to Michelle please? Can you borrow your dictionary please? Alternative question raising in the following intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Doesn't she reading books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? The question following in raising intonation. You don't, I know them, do you? They have found it, haven't they? You weren't you? I should do it, should it? Command failing intonation. They'll tell me the truth. Give me your hat. Do it yourself. Ask me for help. Requiescent intonation. Closes the windows please. Tell me your name, please. Ask it to call me, please. Exclamatory sentential foreign intonation. It's good to see you. Isn't an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Hella, can you hear me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? I would read changing to notice. You need paper, pen or pencil? Response. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can. He didn't. Thank you for your attention.